Today, everything is based on different types of software products. They're something we interact with daily and can't even imagine the world without. But what goes into making them? Let's try to lift the veil of software product development. You're on the Jelvix channel, weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. And don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Here we go. First, let's find out what the product development process exactly is. In simple words, it's a combination of all the activities performed to deliver a concept to the market and end user. So let's say you want to develop a hotel booking application. What's your first step? You should start with the competitor's research. Browse the available applications in the industry to check out some business solutions of the competitors to see their strong and weak points. It'll reveal the most powerful features to incorporate into the best-selling app. And how do you usually carry out market research? Share your methods in the comments. The next step is unique selling proposition determination. Outstanding value ensures the booking tool stands out among rivals and gets new clients. Step 3 is planning the functionality. Before crafting an app, you should clearly understand the future product. Before we start developing a product at Jelvix, our team defines requirements and work out a set of must-have features and operation modes that prospective users may easily utilize. After that, you can move on to UX and UI design. Potential customers are always searching for user-friendly applications. Getting the user interface and user experience right is crucial for a highly competitive app. Now you can move directly to the development. We at Jelvix advise getting involved in every step of the development cycle. It's crucial to cooperate with the developers and give feedback regularly to obtain a perfect booking app that serves the business's needs. Active involvement in the development lifecycle brings on the innovative and top-quality apps. Afterwards, you can go to the testing phase. QA engineers conduct multiple tests to ensure the software is bug-free and meets all specification requirements. When tests are completed, they enter results into bug reports and give them to developers. Bug reports show the state of the app's functionality during which the problem appeared. By the way, do you want to know the difference between a product manager and a project manager? Read our article by the link under the video. Finally, you can move on to the test and launch phase. Before launching a booking app, the developers have to ensure the system has no bugs or interface mistakes. Check out whether your product can be appropriately downloaded from app stores and complies with their rules. Once the app has already been released, it's time to get customers' feedback and improve your product. There's always something that can be upgraded and enhanced after individuals have utilized the application, even for a relatively short time. Therefore, users' reviews and ratings are vital for you, as they give valuable information on what can and should be improved. Product development is more of a marathon than a sprint, and if you require developers' help in this way, contact our team. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. We help top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations weekly, so subscribe not to miss a single video. Also, share which topics we need to cover next on our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.